Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add transitions in Filmora. So it's very simple. First thing you will need to know is in order to add transition, you will need to have at least 2 clips on your timeline, or at least 1 clip split in half. So I want to have 2 clips, so I will drag another one next to my first one. Now as you can see, the transition is basically simple cut. I will play it for you so you can see. What if we want to make an interesting transition and not this boring cut? Well, then simply go over here to transitions and wait while it loads up, and you can download really any of these fun transitions. So let's say we want this warp zoom transition. Click on this download button, and now you have to wait while it downloads the transition. Once it is downloaded, it will give you this preview, as you can see, how the transition will look. You can drag it and release it on top of your both clips, and now when you play it back, you can see how the transition looks in your video. I think it's pretty sick, but we will need to add another transition, so I will cut this clip in half, delete this second half of this clip, and add another one to show you different transition. Now go over back to transitions, scroll down until you find bean transition. Download it, and once it is downloaded, just drag and drop it on top of your clips. Now as you can see, this cool transition effect is applied. So you can really play with this. Feel free to try out different transitions. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.